Ambient air is at a pressure of 100 kilopascal, dry bulb temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and 60% relative humidity. The saturation pressure of water at 30 degrees Celsius is 4.24 kilopascal. So we need to find the specific humidity of air in gram per kilogram of dry air. So in this problem we are given the relative humidity. So let's start to solve this problem with this relative humidity. So relative humidity is defined as phi is equal to partial pressure of vapor divided by the saturation pressure of water. So let me write it Vs. S stands for saturation. Now in the problem PVS is given, right? So PVS given is 4.24 kilopascal. Okay. So and this relative humidity, it's given 60%. So we can find from here, we can find this PV. So PV will be equal to phi into PVS, and phi is 60%, that is 0.6 into PVS is 4.24 kilopascal. Therefore PV is equal to 2.54 kilopascal. Now from the definition of specific humidity, we know that specific humidity, let's write it here, specific humidity, this can be defined as mass of water vapor in a unit mass of moisture. Okay, so that's how we define specific humidity. So specific humidity, omega, is defined as the ratio of mass of vapor divided by the mass of dry air. Yes, and this we can also write as 0.622 times PV divided by P minus PV, that is PA, okay, ambient pressure. And therefore we just found the value of PV. So omega we can find using this formula, 0.622 multiplied by PV is 2.54 divided by P. The P is given in the problem that ambient air is at a pressure of 100 kilopascal. So let's write here 100 minus PV, that is 2.54. And so from here you can get omega is equal to 0.01623 kilogram per kilogram of dry air. Okay, but we need the answer in gram per kilogram of dry air. So omega will be equal to 16.23 gram per kilogram of dry air. Okay. So okay, before moving ahead, I must define that this formula 0.622 PV divided by P minus PV, you can just substitute the mass of vapor in terms of real gas equation, like M is equal to PV upon RT, and for the mass of dry air as well, you will get this formula. Okay, now let's go back to the problem and fill in the blank. So the specific humidity of air is 16.23 gram per kilogram of dry air, and that is corrected to 2 decimal places. To know more on relative humidity or specific humidity, you can refer to the NPTEL course lecture number 31, Psychometry 1 on Steam Power Engineering by Professor Vinayak N. Kulkarni of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Guwahati.